Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. We are here at Lulu Hypermarket DSO, which is in Silicon Central Mall, that is in Dubai Silicon Oasis. This is the largest Lulu hypermarket in the UAE. So showing you around. When you enter the hypermarket, there's the offer section where all items on offer are displayed. As per my observation, this hypermarket has a variety of options when compared to other Lulu hypermarkets. There are a lot of options you can choose from. They also have fresh flowers, so in case of any celebration, you can just come here and buy. They have a spices section where you can buy spices as per grams or kg. You can buy only as much as you want. They have a variety of options here. Apart from spices, there are also powders like rice powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, which you can buy in grams or in kgs as per your choice. Moving on to the roastery section. This is what I've observed in this Lulu, which I've not observed in any of the other hypermarkets. You get eatables in kg or grams. So you can choose like chips, snacks, Indian snacks and many other things. As you can see, you can buy them in grams or as much as you want. This is what I liked in this Lulu and I found something special apart from other hypermarkets or other Lulu. This is a section just near the counter where every week there'll be a different cake on offer. So if you want to buy cake, you can come here and buy. There are also many options in frozen meat. They are packaged in different amount of quantities, so you can buy only as much as you want. There are also options of marinated meat. So in case of busy days, you can just opt for these to make your life easier. This is another section, a special section I observed in this hypermarket is they have marinated fish and also marinated chicken, as you can see. The bakery section here is huge and has quite a lot of options. There are sliced cakes and cupcakes which are with reduced sugar. Reducing sugar in the diet is what people prefer most nowadays, and here they have this option. I've tried this sugar-free cake and this tastes very good, so I recommend you can buy this. They have options for eggless cakes too, as you can see. Moving on to the cakes and bakery section and the desserts, you can see there are so many options which you will not get to see anywhere else. So you can choose in case there's a birthday or any occasion, you can come here and just choose one, which makes it very easy for you. Showing you a clear picture of the different flavors of cakes they offer, so it would be easy for you in case you want to come here and choose from. You'll be knowing what are the flavors they have to offer. This is a bit more of the bakery section where they have pastries, donuts, puffs, sweets and many other varieties. If you ever visit this Lulu, this is a section you must visit and I'm sure you'll be happy visiting this place. You can see donuts, cookies and so on. Here is the salad section. They have great options of cooked food here, so anytime you won't feel like cooking, you can come here and buy it. They'll be having many offers too, like for example there's a Best Buy here, so many other options like this. There's also a seating area here, so you can buy cooked food and sit here and have it. There was a cheese fest going on when we visited Lulu this time and we got to see different types of cheese. Moving on to the fruits and vegetables section, here you can see the different types of fruits and vegetables. They have the rarest of the fruits and vegetables which may not be easier to find anywhere else. They have organic ones too. So this was all I got to capture. Hope my video would help you in your monthly grocery shopping. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for all your support up to now. Take care and see you in my next video.